Today I am reviewing the Air Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 air purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been testing out the Air Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 HEPA air purifier clean air starter bundle for a little over 2 months now, and I wanted to share my genuine, in-depth review of this system. When you look at air purifiers, it is very common to buy a single unit, place it in your living room, and just hope that the clean air somehow migrates to the rest of your house. In reality, that is not how airflow works, which is exactly why this 3-piece starter bundle caught my attention. It comes with one small, one medium, and one large purifier, and after running them continuously, I can confidently say this bundle offers one of the most comprehensive residential air cleaning setups I have ever experienced. Let us start with how I actually deployed these in my home. The large unit went straight into our main living area, which connects to an open-concept kitchen. The medium unit was placed in the master bedroom, and the small unit went into the home office, which also doubles as our pet room where the litter box and dog bed are located. Having 3 distinct units of varying sizes completely changes the game compared to running a single, massive purifier. Instead of trying to force air from the back bedrooms into a single living room machine, each zone of the house manages its own air quality independently. The biggest selling point for the iAdaptAir 2.0 system is the medical-grade 5-stage filtration. Most consumer purifiers rely solely on a basic HEPA filter and a thin layer of carbon. Air Oasis took a much more aggressive approach here. They have integrated a True H13 HEPA filter, an activated carbon filter, ionization, and UV light technology. According to the specifications, it captures particles all the way down to 0.05 microns. In practical, everyday terms, this means it is catching things you cannot even see, like microscopic mold spores, deep tissue allergens, and ultrafine smoke particles. I put this to the test in a few very specific, real-world scenarios. First, let us talk about cooking odors. Our kitchen opens directly into the family room, and whenever we sear steaks or fry fish, the smell usually lingers for days, embedding itself into the couch cushions. With the large iAdaptAir unit running on auto mode right near the kitchen, the response was almost immediate. The built-in air quality sensors detected the sudden spike in particles from the cooking smoke. The fan ramped up automatically, and within about 20 minutes of finishing dinner, the air smelled entirely neutral. The combination of the heavy carbon filter for odors and the true HEPA for smoke particles handled a problem that used to require opening all the windows, even in the dead of winter. The second major test was managing pet dander and seasonal allergies. We have both a dog and a cat, and springtime usually brings a nightmare of pollen, pet hair, and constant sneezing. The medium unit in our bedroom has completely transformed our sleep quality. I used to wake up every single morning with a stuffy nose and dry, itchy eyes. After running the bedroom unit on low through the night, those morning allergy symptoms have virtually disappeared. You can actually see the physical proof when you check the filters. When I pulled the outer screen to inspect it, it was covered in a thick layer of fine pet hair and dust that would have otherwise ended up in our lungs. Another standout feature is the intelligent auto mode. I love appliances that I do not have to constantly baby or adjust manually. The real-time air quality sensors constantly monitor the environment. If someone shakes out a dusty blanket nearby, or if the dog comes in from a muddy walk, you can hear the units smoothly ramp up their fan speed to clear the air and then quiet back down once the air quality returns to an optimal level. This means they are only drawing higher amounts of energy when absolutely necessary, making the system incredibly energy efficient. Speaking of noise levels, this was a major concern for me, especially for the unit placed right next to our bed. On the lowest settings, these machines are whisper quiet. It is a very gentle, smooth white noise that actually helps you fall asleep rather than keeping you awake with a high-pitched motor whine. Even the large unit in the living room, when running on its medium setting, easily blends into the background of a normal television volume or a casual conversation. If there is any downside to consider, it is the upfront investment and the fact that you will eventually need to replace filters for 3 separate machines instead of just one. However, when you calculate the cost of buying 3 high-end, medical-grade purifiers individually, this starter bundle actually saves you a significant amount of money upfront. Plus, protecting the health of your family and creating a home completely free of mold spores, allergens, and stale odors is worth every single penny. To wrap things up, the Air Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 starter bundle completely delivers on its promises. It offers industry-leading clean air delivery rates, incredibly robust 5-stage filtration, smart automation, and the unparalleled convenience of whole home coverage. If you're serious about eradicating dust, smoke, pet smells, and seasonal allergies from your living environment, I cannot recommend this bundle highly enough. It has fundamentally improved the air quality and overall comfort of our home.